Hello everyone, so in last video we have seen the cool way of writing CSS, and if you haven't seen it yet, so you can see it right now. So in this video we are going to discuss about some extensions of Visual Studio Code which will make your coding more faster. So our first extension in our list is Codium. Codium is a really useful AI that auto-generate our code, and the extensions which I am telling you right now, you can download it from here, from this extension section. You can write you its shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus X, and it will open. Codium auto completes and generate the codes for many languages like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, Java, and more. You can see like here, it had given me suggestions without writing anything. The suggestion is of image 11. Like here I have written image 1, 2, 3 till image 10, and here it has given me suggestion for image 11. So our next extension in our list is auto rename. It is also a very useful extension. Here you can see, like in very big HTML codes, you find difficulty to find this closing tags. Like if you want to convert div tag into span tag, and if there will be very large code and you will not able to find the div tag closing tag, so how will you find it? So this work will happen without even finding it. Right now it's very small code, so you can able to see that this div's closing tag is this one, this is this one. But if there will be very large code, so you will face difficulty. So for that there is extensions called auto rename tag. Like if I will delete it and I will write span, so it had auto rename it. Here I want to write div, so it had write div here also without writing here. And if here I will write h1, it had written h1, h2, h3, h2, h3, h4, h5. You can see here had also changed, but I want here to be only div tag. So our next one is bracket pair color DLW. So this one color, the brackets, you can use it in very big programs, like when you write very big JavaScript program. So it's very hard to find that which one is of which bracket and where it is closing. So you can see I have made one bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. But did you find any difference between the brackets? If you have found, so you will be able to see the brackets are of different colors. This bracket is of yellow, this is of purple, this is of blue, and their closing tags are also of their same color. So this way you can find out that where that particular bracket is closing. Our next extension in list is CodeSnap. This is my one of the favorite extensions which I have ever used. Like if you have to take the pic of any code, so what you will do, you will just take a pic of that code, but these extensions fix that problem. You just have to download it. Whatever code you have to take the pic, you will just highlight it like this. You will do right click. You will go to this last option, CodeSnap plus fix. Here you will go and you will find an empty space. When you will highlight them, so here you can see it has written the code here also. If I want to write only this, so it have written the same, that I have styled here body and here also, and now I have to pick the photo of it. Now I will click this colorful button, and when I will click, it will click the picture of that sample of code, and from that I can save it in my file. And you can also name the image, and it will also give one background by its own, and you can show your friends your code by taking the image from this method. So our next extension is Google Fonts. Many people use Google Fonts to enhance their website, but they have to first go in Google, then they have to search Google Fonts, then they will go in that website, they will copy the font. So it will take too much time to do that process. But you can install this Google Fonts extension, and from that, if you want the CSS one, so it will give the URL of that font. You will just have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. It will open our command panel. You can open it from here also. Here you will write Google Fonts CSS, and whatever font you want you can take from here, like Poppins. So it have give us the code of Poppins font, and you can use this one in font families. The next extension is Live Server. It is also my one of the favorite extensions which I had ever used. Live Server. So like when you have to run the code, you just go in run and click start debugging, or you just press F5 button, and it will show the preview or overview that like output what you had made. You can see the output here. But what if you don't have network? Because without it the Chrome didn't work. But with the help of the live server, you can do the same thing but without network. You will just click right click and go to open with live server, or you can click Alt plus L and Alt plus O. So from that the live server will open here, and this is also working the same as that Chrome was working. And now our next extension is the live preview. The live preview is also something same like this only, but there are the major differences. Like in that one, we have opened one Microsoft Edge window here, but in this one we will open one window inside that only, inside our Visual Studio Code. I will click in show preview, and here you can see the output is coming here. I will make it bigger. So this output is showing inside that Visual Studio Code only. You can see the same output is also coming here that was coming in live server. So now in our list, next extension is Monokai Pro. So this just changes the background. Like you can go in command panel. Here you can select Monokai Pro select theme. Here you can take any theme that you want, and you can try by your own. But I like the font that I was having before. So I will go in settings, theme, color theme, and its name is Monokai only. Our next one is Code Spell Checker. If you will download it, so like here is written class. If I will written, so it will tell the spelling mistake. Like this is the unknown word. So from this you can check the errors, because many times we do spelling mistakes in code like in JavaScript, so it is very hard to find the spelling mistake. So this extensions work perfectly. Our next one is Prettier. If you will download this extension, like your code is not clean and it's just like anything, and when you will save whole file, so it will just clean everything, and now you are able to read everything perfect. It had made space between head and body, and body has space between head and this HTML. And our next one is Power Mode. So this is a very special extension which I really like, and you can also use it for fun only. Its name is Power Mode. I have already installed it. If I will go to settings, so from here I can just go to in extensions. You can find the extensions here, and from there you can find the power mode. The power mode is here. So here will be our general settings. So right now this is enabled, and I will set it into particles. And now when I will write, So here you can see our window is shaking when we write anything, and particles are coming. If you don't want to shake the window, so you will just go in this shake, and you can just off it, and only the particles will come. You can see here, and in whatever color we will write, the particles will be of same color. And we can change them, like if you don't want the particles, so you can change it from here. There is one fireworks option also. When you will write, the fireworks will come, or if you want, the flames will come. When you will write, the flames will be coming, and I like these two most, because it's of my favorite color also, and it's looking like thunder is coming, like when whatever we will write, like so it will, so this effect will be coming here. And here are many more, so you can do it by your own. You can try them by your own. So right now, these extensions are the most useful extensions, and the last extension was only for fun. So if you had enjoyed the video, so please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.